The Russian war of aggression is causing severe economic but also human suffering, but also environmental damages. And therefore, our engagement is for Ukraine in Europe, a future in Europe, and a future that is sustainable, peaceful, economically sound, and in peace with nature.
Дуже гарний формат, дуже гарно організований захід. Це можливість уряду, можливість міжнародним партнерам, можливість громадськості поспілкуватися, обговорити нагальні теми, визначити пріоритети і рухатися спільно.
We are working very intensely with the Ukrainian counterparts on the enlargement process. From our side, the main big priorities, and it's not a surprise, it's bringing the legislation up to alignment in the environmental sector, but also at the same time working on their implementation.
Our role is to really facilitate and inspire also interesting meetings between people that usually maybe not would meet on an everyday basis, and also to give room for back-to-back initiatives and meetings outside of the workshop to deepen really the cooperation beyond project boundaries.